Draggy Kexi. Yeah, because I was looking at it and it has like the cracks, as you guys can see in the picture, and I was like, I'm so confused. I don't know what this is. But okay, I'm gonna try a dark chocolate one first, and then I'll try the milk chocolate one. Oh my god. That would be perfect with coffee. I'm not even kidding.
Nice.
Okay, let me try the milk chocolate one.
By the way, the package says, wenn ich nur aufhören könnte. It means if only I could stop. Wenn ich nur aufhören könnte. Wenn ich nur aufhören könnte.
Okay, when I say that last word, it's kind of a bit yabai, so I'm not gonna say it.
Könt. Yeah, könnt, not can't.
No.
Könnt.
What an Australian
It's okay,
stream.
you're speaking German.
Or am I speaking Australian?